welcome to Fox and Hare Creations. I am Brie, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Lazy Daisy stitch. This is a common stitch used to make floating petals or flowers, and I always draw a line or lines to use as a guide. And so what I'm going to show you here is you're going to come up through the centermost part of the line, and then you're going to also go back down close to that entry point and hold your thread off to the side a little bit. What we're going to be doing is making a loop, and I could tell right there that I kind of messed up and I knew it was going to be twisted, so I tried to fix my thread before I continued to pull through. And then I come back up through the top of the line, or the end of the line, the outermost part of the petal, and you'll see I'm creating a teardrop loop as I pull this thread through. You see there? And then I'm going to just do a little tack stitch. I'm not going to go back into the same stitch that I came in through. And so I've sped it up here just to kind of move the process along a little bit. So I come up through, make my loop, and then do a little tack stitch at the top. Because if you don't do that, it'll just float around and get caught on things, and we don't want that to happen. And then you can always fill in these daisies with French knots. That's what I typically do. It seems to finish it off quite nicely. And the next few I'm going to show you are just how to just make them kind of float around if you want falling petals or falling leaves. This is also a stitch I use to make my little sprigs in my designs. It's just a simple, easy stitch. I love doing it so much. And so I'm showing you how to do it this way, just to kind of give you an idea of what to look out for when you make an oopsie. So I'm going to do my tack stitch, and you'll see this next one that I did it wrong. And this is good to show what you are looking out for. So you see I twisted it. You can see it right there towards the end, and I twisted the petal. And you'll notice it looks really distorted. And you'll see that when you practice it. So the first one I did is correct, and then this next one I'm going to show you is how to do it the correct way. So I'm trying not to twist my loop at all, and that's where the twisting comes in, is you twist your loop. And so those are Lazy Daisy stitches. Super easy, super fun. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thanks everybody, bye.